Health is hiring for the Customer Service Representative role, or CSR, and this is a remote position. In summary, they're looking for someone that can answer questions and resolve issues based on phone calls, letters from providers, triage resulting rework to appropriate staff, provide excellent customer services for high-volume inbound provider calls for the claims, inquiry, claims research Medicaid team, extensive claims research on multiple platforms to assist providers with payment questions, educate provider with related information to answer the unasked questions, for example, additional plan details, benefit plan details, and provider self-service tools. And this is, again, 100% remote. They are offering 40 hours a week, and the pay range is $17 to $34 per hour. With full benefits, so medical plan options, a 401k plan, and employee stock purchase plan. And if you need assistance in your job search or resume review services, take a look at the link in our bio. We'd love to help you.